Previously on Knuckles TV.
Right here about 90 something miles right before we get to Dallas. So let's get something and we'll be back. Alright, kinfolk, well, we ended up stopping at one of these little scenic turnouts right here in Oklahoma. So let's give it a gander, eh? Kinfolk, we finally made it. 12 hours of driving. We probably had about an hour and a half of sleep. I am beat. We're waiting on Fat Boy and SL636 to come over here, and then we're all gonna head out. We got Road King, Big Road King, my brother, Diego, my son, and 6-pin over there. All right, kinfolk, I got my little blue jean vest over there, and this here is going to be an actual vest that I get other moto vloggers to sign, and that way I can be supporting them anywhere I go all the time during the summertime, because winter I can't wear this joker. But here we go. 6-pin is going to be the first one. Oh, damn! Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Bam.
Bam, there it is.
First 6-pin, Indiana. Yes. From Indiana, going back to Texas.
I should have put sexy pin.
All right, who's next? JR Breakout 14.
What year is that, Bob?
There it is. There we go, Mr. Road King.
I don't want to put it up there.
Yeah, you don't want to get by the sexy pin.
Oh, nobody wants to get by the
Yeah,
yeah,
2018. Sir, Mello?
Hello. I got mine right here.
Damn, hello, Mello and Josie.
Hang on. Wait, they know where we're
Oh. SL636. And it's Pops. There it is, Miss Road King Jones, Indiana, 2018. SL636, Kansas 18. Thank you, sir. Motor Monkey Garage.
I'm trying to put Bubba.
Whatever, dude. Baba. There we go. All right, kinfolk, now we got Fat Boy signing. Fat Boy R6.
Yeah.
Straight from Kansas, baby. Straight from Kansas. Yeah, baby. We're getting it now. Yeah, baby. Yeah, 6-pin right there, Fat Boy R6, baby. Son, and SL636 is Pops, and then Road King back there, and my brother also, man. So this is gonna be awesome. We're about to get it, player. I got my nephew back here with me, kinfolk. He's riding along with us, get some footage and everything, and the wife and everybody back behind us checking it out. He just kill switched his ass. Oh, damn. And shenanigans are already starting, y'all. It's already starting. We're gonna go to the, like I said, Advance Motorsports and hang out there for a little bit, and that way we can meet some people and stuff over there. But it's gonna be a blast, man. And if y'all are there for the live stream, I appreciate y'all watching, man, and joining in and talking with us. We had a blast, kinfolk. If you haven't watched it, I will link it up there, and that way you can go check it out, man. It was a damn, I was afraid we were gonna get kicked out of the damn hotel, man. We was going crazy in there, I'm telling y'all. It was definitely a blast. Temperature, man, is not that bad, actually. I don't know, it's like in the 30s, I guess, something like that. I had to look when we get to Advance Motorsports, but weather, it's great, man. The snow from yesterday, we had snow actually last night over here, and that's actually that went away and melted all away, and what a blast, man. It was a blast. We were afraid we weren't going to get to ride tonight or today, but thank goodness the sun came out and dried everything up, man, and warmed it up a little bit, so definitely awesome. Yeah. Got him. Got him. Oh man. Hey, and like I said, everybody that's here, man, make sure y'all go check out their channel. Fat Boy R6, 6-pin, SL636, Road King Jonesy, JR Breakout 14, and then my son, Motor Monkey Garage, man. I'll link everybody's description down below, so make sure y'all go check out their channel and check out their Instagram and everything. I think once we hit the Advance Motorsports, we're gonna hang out there for a bit, and then we're gonna go for a ride, man, for a little bit after that, and hopefully we can beat it, get a little ride in before it actually just temperature starts dropping. So we'll see what happens. Man, I want to say thanks to Fat Boy, man, for setting all this up and inviting us down here to Kansas, or up here to Kansas, man. And Fat Boy, I appreciate it, dude. Much love, dude. You know, it's been mad fun, dude.
Ain't no sweet.
No. I got my wife over there getting all the good shots. Thank you, baby. If y'all haven't checked out her channel, go check it out, man. Hello Mellow, man. She's got a lot of good stuff going on there too. Kinfolk, we ended up trailing our bikes down here, which I was really glad we did. I appreciate my brother for doing that for us, man. The dadgum weather was ridiculous on the way here, man. We had rain, freezing cold. It was damn, wind was blowing, felt like 100 miles an hour. It was crazy, so I'm really glad he was able to do that for us. Oh, shit. We're too old for that shit. That's too funny. Yamaha Advance Motorsports player, here we are, man. If y'all in Kansas, Salina, Kansas, anywhere around Salina, Kansas, surrounding cities, make sure y'all come check out Advance. They were nice enough to let us come and hang out over here, man. And so really excited about that. All right, kinfolk. Hey, this here is John.
I'm a resident here in Salina. I've done my work here at this place. This is a phenomenal dealership, Yamaha dealership. They work on all kind of bikes. The customer service is phenomenal. The easiest way to reach them at, as you can see, the phone number 785-404-3838, and this is a main street, very easy to get to.
Awesome. So hey, make sure y'all come check them out, man. And whenever you come over here, let them know we all sent you. All right. All right, kinfolk, let's go inside and check it out. Y'all go ahead. Y'all walk around. Take a look.